Okay. Uh, if you don't have a job and you're looking to make some money, it's time to start working for yourself, man. You can start this business off at as little as $50, and I'm serious. It's flipping appliances. I flip washers, dryers, and refrigerators. You have any questions on how to flip the appliances? Leave it in the comment box, and I'll get right back to you. I've been doing it for almost 3 years now. I'm a mail carrier. I do it on the side, so I don't even do it part time, and I do pretty good with the little time I have with it. It is time consuming, but if you have 8 hours, you can make more than what I make as a mailman an hour. So if you're interested, you need any questions answered, and I know the answer, I give it to you. I don't know everything, but I know I made money in this, and it's no hoax. I just know brothers is having problems trying to get a job, especially if you're like an ex-felon or something like that, and they just refuse to give you a job. Well, with this, with this, with this business, you don't have to worry about drug tests or discrimination against you. You're your own boss. You call the shots, and people come to you. You don't go to them. I'll show you how to find the appliances for a good price, and I can tell you what to sell them for. You know, like I said, any questions you have and I can answer, I give it to you. So, looking forward to your questions. Uh, I'm doing this because I watch a guy named Appliance Boot Camp, a guy named Mike Sneed and JT Hustle. They're giving back to the community, and I just feel that it's time for me to get back too. So, it's money to be made out there. If you're lazy, delete this video because this is not for a lazy person. You got to get your grind on. Sometimes I used to get up at 4:30 in the morning working on appliances, and got to be to work at 9. So it gave me a couple hours. Then after work, I would work on appliances and stuff like that. So, if you're lazy, this video is not for you. This is for the grinders only. But you can make more money than a lot of people. We're talking, you know, $300-400 a day if you do it full time. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment box, and I will get back to you. I will. I'm out of here, man.